Another disturbing trend is reportedly creating fear among immigrants in America. Immigration attorneys are warning H-1B workers after reports emerged of strangers filming foreign workers outside apartment and the homes. That's right. According to the lawyers, some private individuals are approaching immigrants, recording their videos, and asking questions about immigration status and visa document. Now, for a moment, imagine finishing your work, returning home, and suddenly finding somebody filming you outside your apartment. In fact, immigration attorney Rahul Reddy and Emily, they reportedly advised the workers not to engage with strangers demanding immigration information. The lawyers stressed that private citizens have absolutely no authority to demand immigration documents or question the visa status. Well, workers, they were also advised to use ring cameras, verify identity before opening the doors, and very carefully document any suspicious incident around them. This particular incident or advice, this reveals something deeply uncomfortable. America's immigration debate is no longer staying inside politics or maybe television studios. Now it is entering neighborhoods. It is entering apartment complexes. It is entering parking lots. In fact, it is entering daily lives of people. And tonight, many Indians in America, they are quietly feeling emotionally exhausted by the constant pressure and constant uncertainty. Now let's go straight to Texas. Another controversy involving America's H-1B system is making headlines. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, he has sued a North Texas company and a Chinese owner over allegations involving fake childcare businesses allegedly used to obtain H-1B visas in a very fraud manner. According to the lawsuit, websites advised childcare and autism therapy service that allegedly did not actually exist. In fact, one facility reportedly invited parents to visit a caring infant center. But investigators allegedly discovered an empty property, and that too with overgrown vegetation instead. Authorities claimed that the businesses filed visa petition for software developers, developers, and analysts despite allegedly lacking the real operation here. Why does this matters for Indians so much here? Let's connect the dots, because Indians receive the overwhelming majority of H-1B visas, and that too every single year. And every fraud controversy creates greater suspicion around the entire H-1B system. In the meantime, Mr. Ken Paxton, he issued a strong warning saying that authorities would continue targeting alleged abuse of the entire visa system. And tonight, many genuine Indian professionals may feel frustrated because every scandal strengthens anti-immigration narrative inside America today.